Hi, I'm Dr. C, and welcome to Calculus Made Simple. In this derivative problem solving session 1 for lesson 1, you should be able to solve y is equal to f of x times g of x and compute dy dx. Today we're going to talk about brain teasers, derivatives. Y is equal to a, dy dx is equal to 0 because y is a constant. Y is equal to x, dy dx is equal to 1. Y is equal to ax, dy dx is equal to a. Y is equal to ax squared, dy dx is 2ax. Y is equal to a to the n power, dy dx is a n x to the n minus 1. You take the n and the exponent, you multiply it times the coefficient, you bring it downstairs, multiply it times the coefficient in front, and you reduce the power of the exponent by 1, so it becomes x to the n minus 1. Same thing applies here. Y is equal to x to the minus 1. Dy dx is equal to minus x to the minus 2 power. Y is equal to ax plus bx squared. The operator goes across. It's distributive law. Dy dx is equal to a plus 2bx. Y is equal to f of x, dy dx is equal to df dx. This is called the product rule. Y is equal to f of x times g of x. You do dy dx is equal to g of x times the derivative of that first term, df dx, plus the first term, f of x times dg dx. Product rule. Y is equal to sine of x, dy dx is equal to cosine x. Y is equal to cosine of x, dy dx is equal to minus sine x. We're going to talk about the derivative of y is equal to sine of x. Dy dx is equal to what at these points? The graph is shown below. Last time in exercise 1b.1, I had dy dx is equal to the cosine x. You just have to memorize that. We'll get into that more later in details in subsequent tutorials. But for a, dy dx is equal to 1 because at x equals 0, cosine of x is equal to 1. At b, it's obvious this is a maxima, and the horizontal line is the tangent, which has a slope of 0. At c, we have to evaluate it at 1 pi, and we get cosine of pi is equal to minus 1. That's the slope of the tangent line at c. At d, the slope of the tangent line again is 0 because it's a horizontal line. It's a minima. Today we have derivative brain teasers 1b.3. Y is equal to the cosine of x. What is the derivative? You'll encounter a derivative of these trigonometric functions all the time, and you will be wondering, what is the answer? You have to memorize it, but you can always check it like here. We know that at point A, dy dx is equal to 0. The slope of the tangent line to the curve at A is 0. At point B, the slope is a minus 1. You'll just have to know that. Point C, the slope is 0. And at point D, the slope is plus 1. So what we see here is we have 0, minus 1, 0, 1. That's a minus sign. So dy dx is tracing out a minus sign.